The law of attraction is a belief that says whatever you focus on in your life, whether it's positive or negative, will bring similar things into your life. In simple terms, if you think positively and visualize success, you'll attract positive outcomes and opportunities. Conversely, if you dwell on negative thoughts or fears, you might attract negative experiences. The idea behind the law of attraction is that your thoughts and emotions create a sort of magnetic field around you, drawing similar energy back to you. So, if you constantly think about what you want and believe that you can achieve it, you are more likely to notice opportunities and take actions that lead you toward your goals. However, it's important to remember that the law of attraction isn't magic, and it doesn't mean you can just wish for something and it will magically appear. It's more about the mindset and attitude you bring to your life and how that influences your actions and reactions to situations. The law of attraction basically says that whatever you focus on in your life, whether it's good things or bad things, will come into your life. So, if you keep thinking about good stuff and believing that good things will happen, then good things are more likely to happen to you. On the other hand, if you are always worried or thinking about bad things, you might end up experiencing more of those bad things. It's like having a magnet inside you that attracts things similar to what you are thinking and feeling. If you are positive and hopeful, you tend to notice more positive things happening around you. But if you are always negative and expecting the worst, you might find yourself surrounded by more negative situations. Just remember, the law of attraction isn't some kind of magic spell. It's more about how your thoughts and attitudes affect your actions and experiences in life. So, staying positive and believing in yourself can help you attract good things, but it's still important to take action and work towards your goals. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you find the video informative and to get notifications of future videos. Thank you.